county, we have no OCS. I have just.
There is no place that is not covered by some OCS. Who is the OCS?
We don't have an OCS. If
There
there is
is no
Super
place. There is
Super
no
South.
place in Kenya that is not covered by an OCS.
Yeah?
Yes, OCS.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
I'd like to respond on the matter of issue of licenses and
generally the nuisance in what was the center called? Chief? Sindo. Okay, here proceed.
Sir, the licenses of maybe bus, there it is actually issued by the county government. And at the Sindo, we have a Kinga police post whereby actually they normally do patrols. And we have actually not received any case of maybe noises in that particular area. And just a minute. Sir, we have not received.
You've not received official complaint.
Yeah, official complaints from the public.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks.
And the licenses is issued by the county government.
I know that.
Thank you,
for
sir.
sure. I know that.
Thank you, sir.
The only problem is that there has been. We know that licenses are issued by county government, but when it comes to enforcement, say for example nuisance is a crime, so it's not left to county government to enforce, whether there is a license or not. Okay, because there are many other laws that you are supposed to enforce in so far as the same is concerned. And we cannot also say for sure, because county issues license, it is not true that you people, police officers, don't go to those clubs. I mean, they do. And when they go there, instead of enforcing, they take something. Yeah? So anyway, we'll talk about that later. Any other chief? The last one. There was a lady who had a mic. Wacha kwe huyo wa mwisho. Then we move to the OCSs. We are running out of time. Yes, madam.
Sir, I'm Senior Chief Margaret Anyang Wager, Chief of Rachonyo West Sub-County.